Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Look at this. Look at this. I look so freaking hot, right? And I'm so sorry that I have to take this off right now. Usually you guys have seen me only wearing makeup. So today you're also going to see me how I undress. Not undress, get off with me. And if you want to see how I take my makeup off and my skincare routine, then this video is absolutely for you guys. And ignore this is how I actually play around with my skin. So yeah, that's how it is, and let's start with the video. This is absolutely scary, but we have to do this. Just got my nails off. This is how it looks. It's very painful, guys. One day you need to see what's the BTS like. So let's get started with removing makeup. And today for removing makeup, I have a special guest who has arrived from 1 year, but sadly I couldn't do it. Okay, enough about that. Ooh, this is scary. I'm just gonna drop these somewhere. Hold on. So lashes are off. It's time to get off my lenses. It looks like I'm a pro, right? Doing it since when I was absolutely like in my 8th standard or my 9th standard. That is, since then I'm doing this. Yeah, that's off, and let's try to remove this now. First, I'm just gonna spray some Fix Plus. I think people just know that Fix Plus is just used to remove makeup, but it can also help you to melt down your makeup. By the way, today what I'm gonna use is the Cleano wipe that I've received. It's not because I am gonna be very honest on this channel, guys. You guys have been my real big supporters in my life, and just one like and one comment of yours have made my days. So I'm never gonna lie with you just that because I've received this, because I also have these and I have bigger expensive brands than these. But to be honest, this unfortunately it just breaks me down to another level and just does not work with me. That's why I just stopped using these. Now I use, like, out of 100 wipes, if you can see, I've used 50. More than 50 wipes are done, and I just don't want to use them. I use them to use my hands, or I just sanitize my phone or whatsoever. I'm just done with them. I'm gonna use these today, and I'm gonna show you how I take my makeup off. This is legit scary. So this has 15 wipes, and they are soft wipes, exfoliating and cleansing wipes. They have pH balanced and alcohol free and hypoallergic free. Unique dual texture wipe, waterproof makeup removal and exfoliations. Use both the sides. That's what the packaging says, and let's try them. To be honest, I've used them once when I was in France. And I've got this 1 year back also, and they're very kind enough to send me every time I'm short with makeup wipes. So the fun fact, this is the exfoliating side and this is the makeup removing side. So let's see what's the real tea. I have not tried these, to be honest. I have tried the basic ones. I'm going to show you. My forehead, to be honest, is pretty much clean, but I'm a person, guys, who would always prefer double cleansing. So I'm not the person who would just, like, do a cleaning. I mean, just once I've cleaned my face and I'm done. I'm not going to be that. I'm not that kind of a person, to be honest. And right now, you must be scared AF, because I have legit amount of makeup and the tons and tons and tons of layers. Just one wipe has almost removed my full skin makeup. To be honest, if you want to see a comparison video, I will definitely show you guys. The MAC wipes does not do the justice. Just does not. It's not like I don't like the brand or I don't like MAC or whatsoever. Their product just didn't work for me. For some people, like, I'll tell you one honestly, the micellar ones, the pink ones, they worked fabulous with me. Fabulous. Trust me. Like, one wipe and my eye makeup is off. To be honest, this is never the case with me. I literally use coconut oil. I use the cleaning balm. I'll show you guys if you want next time in my video. Oh my god, like, one wipe. I've never been so much chindi with the wipe, but they have worked fabulous. So I'm on the lower edge, on the neck. I'm just taking the exfoliating side, and I'm just gonna, try to be more clean and more safe. And of course, the blue, I'm gonna use one more wipe, because just one wipe does not do the justice. Let's keep it very honest and very transparent. Because even tomorrow you get your hands on your makeup, you get these wipes on you, and you are like, Nikhil, you said the wipes are amazing. Of course they are, but you have to use 2 wipes at least. Off. Here's the clean wipe, and let's try. Be very gentle, guys. You have to be like, it's a towel, like it's like a wet towel. And already I'm like, I legit break out. If you guys know that, if you guys think that my skin is fabulous, I'm sorry, it's not. It's definitely not. I mean, it is fabulous. Touch wood, by grace of God, I have been working on it, and it does, show up very well now, but it's not that good. I mean, my skin was fabulous. There was a day my skin was so fabulous and so flawless that everyone used to just look up to. Like, they used to ask me, what's your skincare routine? What is your this? What is your that? And today I'm like, dude, please don't ask me. Please don't ask. Because I have been very careless, because I was not well, guys. I mean, if you guys will see my more stories, and if you follow me on my Instagram and stuff, you would actually understand that, it's not the easiest of the journey that I've been. Last 15-20 days, the September month was just not working for me, and it just didn't work. Woo! Fabulous! Welcome back. Yeah, so I'm done with my removing of makeup. The cleaner wipe did the justice, and I'm here now with my face wash. I washed my face up, and my makeup, after I remove my makeup, my skin turns out to be a disaster. Trust me, that's my thing anyways. It takes 1 or 2 days anyways to heal, and that's how it is. Anyways, let's move on. So I'm like, next day I'm just taking some cotton out, and I'm making my clarifying lotion. This is from Clinique, and this is the clarifying lotion number 3. There are multiple lotions that they have. Also, if you want to know a drugstore version of this product, the L'Oreal, the Relift or something like that, which you can wear it over makeup and under makeup as well. That's fabulous. And the toner of Neutrogena is amazing. This is my skin type, and my skin needs legit amount of care. That's how my skin is. And this lotion is slightly stronger, guys, and my skin is already very sensitive, and you just have to make sure that you are just being very soft, and you do not please fight with your skin. It will give you a tough time later. You see the instant effect. I mean, my skin has that sheen back after I do my toner. And now I'm using my Shiseido Ultimune concentrate. This has orange extracts. This really works very well. I'm taking 2 pumps of these, and I'm just going to press it on my skin, because this gives me the life back till morning, and I love this. This actually works very well for people who have pigmented skin and people who are regular makeup wearers. Shiseido is a very good brand, guys. And if you want a alternative to this, again, there are multiple brands. If you want, I'll do a drugstore one also, and let me know if you want to do that. Once that's done, I'm going to move out to my moisturizer. This is again from Shiseido, and these are slightly expensive. I think these are for 12 or 9k for the whole set that I got for. I work for the brand, guys. I don't pay for these. Sorry. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take that moisturizer, and make sure any concentrate or any product or toner, after everything, you moisturize your skin very well, guys. If you don't do that, your skin is going to break out. Trust me. I'm taking a little more moisturizer. Very little of these go a long way. Bring it back. This brings life back to life and back to normal. I know makeup is necessary and makeup is important, but after makeup also skincare is very important. I use castor oil, by the way, for my eyebrows and my lashes. So if you want, you can do that, and just make sure you're using the pressed one and not the artificial one, the cold pressed. Next step I'm gonna do is the lash primer. This is again very necessary for people who wear mascara on regular basis. I mean, I can't let these babies go off in my early 20s or 30s, so I make sure that I use this, and I try to use it in the night so that I have the maximum hydration or maximum, benefit of the product, where my skin, my mind is not working and I'm in peace. These are lash maximizers, but I use it for my eyebrows as well. It does not matter, it's fine. Next thing is the lip balm from MAC. That's how I look. That's my night routine. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below what next would you like to see on my channel. Till then, take care, bye, good night. Mwah. Bye.